Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. With me today, I have two thermal drone solutions, the DJI Mavic 3 Thermal and the DJI M3T M30 Thermal. In this video, we will compare the two so you can decide which platform is right for you. First off, the most obvious difference between the DJI M3T and the M30T is the overall size of the drone. The M30T is the largest of the two, and I'll put the specs of both drones on the screen. And although the M30T is a larger unit, we're now going to get into the feature differences between these two drones. Now let's compare max flight time. The M3T has a max flight time of 46 minutes with a single battery setup, compared to the M30T featuring a max flight time of 41 minutes and a dual battery setup. Now, I should also mention that you can hot swap the batteries on the M30T for quick deployment, which is not featured on the M3T. Next, let's discuss IP ratings. The M3T does not have an IP rating, so this drone is best suited for clear, dry days. The M30T, on the other hand, has an IP55 rating for water and dust resistance, so if that is something that's important to you, it must be considered. Let's jump into payloads. The M3T is equipped with both a 12-megapixel telecamera and 48-megapixel wide camera, both with a half-inch CMOS sensor, which allows 56 times hybrid zoom, and a thermal camera with a resolution of 640 by 512 that zooms 28 times. The M30T is equipped with a 48-megapixel telecamera and 12-megapixel wide camera, both with a half-inch CMOS sensor as well. But this allows for 200 times hybrid zoom, and the thermal camera resolution is the same as the M3T of 640 by 512 that zooms 28 times. With the M30T, you also get the added feature of a rangefinder. If you need to zoom in at longer distances, the M30T is probably a better choice. However, the portability of the M3T is optimal. Let's next talk about the remote controllers. The M30T features the DJI RC Plus remote with the option to supply additional battery power with a removable battery that fits inside the remote controller. The M3T is powered off of internal battery power only. Lastly, if you need the ability to have dual operators, the M30T is the drone for you. Also, if you are looking to operate out of a DJI dock, there is a version of the M30T that supports this feature. Overall, both drones are fantastic choices depending on your mission criteria. And given the capital investment difference between the two, hopefully this video helped you weigh the options, comparing the features for which drone is best for you. If you have any questions about either of these drones, go ahead and put those in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.